So watch out. A little thing I circle the internet from out there, everybody a link me and I say, oh, rare. About a girl we are tarnish, me a miserabling, and killer fill a name. You see me? Otherwise as O'Neal. Watch out now when I go to the Fox with that something. They have me away a competition. We do that go on. We shot a contestants. You see me? Boom. Couple girl enter and it a go on. One of the girls them was the leader of the competition with me. For some reason for our video ending up get deleted. Somebody report it and our video get deleted. Somebody decide say I'm gonna cancel the competition. See? And just give all our contestant them a thing and thank them for them cooperation. So boom me now up and cancelling the competition. The people them, the girl them will enter you know. One of the girls, a specific girl, I don't even know what she name, come from Mosimobi or one of them place. She made the video you know. Me and them on the island cause me the America right now for my little promotion and thing, you see me? So me make my team member them contact her from the page and make sure know say yo. Everybody, all of the contestants them get contact and make them know say yo. Something I go on when me forward on the island. Anyways, nothing but me see me get tagged in a video. This girl a cuss and a go on and a eat up herself about money and 20,000. Girlfriend you never win the competition. See? Nobody no win the competition. You see me? Nobody no win. We never broadcast a winner. So contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 a winner. We never say that. So you can't take it up on your head and say you win. You see me? And you never contact me, O'Neal or Miserabling where I lead out the competition and say walk on or nothing like that. You just run go make video and feel like say you're a tarnished artist. My girl that can't do nothing to her career, yeah. Career safe. I'm just tell you this. I'm going to reach out to my fans, man. The people them where here are going on.